Hello everyone. Nandito ako sa labas. Narinig ko lang sa labas parang ang lakas ng hangin. So ayan sa backyard namin, guys. Nakita ko kanina yung lumilipad yung mga trash sa gilid ng bahay. Kasi yung trash kanila hindi nilagyan ng tali. Ayan, they didn't put any tie. You should tie it down. Ayan, ang likod namin. Beautiful mountain views, guys, over there. As you can hear the wind blowing hard from the mountains. I tried to hold my phone really hard because the wind is about to knock it down. Ayan, dito ang lakas ang hangin. The sound of the wind is creepy. Ayan, guys. Beautiful morning. And you can hear the sound of the there's the mountain on the top. I'm gonna zoom in. That's the house in there. I'm sorry, I'm trying to hold my phone. It's shaking because the wind blowing so hard. Oh my goodness! Woo! Woo! Even the air condition outside, it's spinning really hard. The wind is crazy. I'm about to blow myself away from the wind. There's trash. There's trash. There's trash. Right there, guys. It's everywhere now. In our backyards, a lot of trash is blowing from the trash can. Because people, our neighbors here, didn't tie their trash can. Is blowing away. So, I'm sorry, guys, if my video is kind of shaky because of the wind. So ayan, my video for today is I just want to show you my daily vlog today. Just a short video, so I just want to show you guys what's the view in my backyard, and the wind, the sounds of the wind from the mountains is kind of creepy. Ayan, guys. Alright, I guess I'm just gonna shut this off. So bye, guys. Thank you for watching this short video, and don't forget to like or subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.